Well, hello, first graders, and welcome to today's grammar and writing job. It's me, Miss Rossman. Today we are going to be doing a very special thing. We are going to be creating animal puppets and then planning our instructional letters on how we made our animal puppets. So your first step today, boys and girls, is going to be to take your brown paper bag and create an animal puppet out of it. You can cut out shapes from scrap paper and color them to look like the different body parts on your animal. Think about what kind of ears your animal has. If it's a rabbit, does it have ears that stick up or ears that flop down? If it's a mouse, does it have big ears or little ears? Think about what kind of eyes and nose. Would you like to add a tongue to your animal puppet? What does it look like on its body? Add lots of details to your animal puppets. After you have completed your animal puppet, you are going to plan your instructions. Tomorrow we are going to write a letter to a friend telling them how you made your puppet. So today we are going to plan those sentences. So, how to make a dog puppet is what I am going to write my sentences about because I made a dog puppet. When you are planning these sentences, boys and girls, take what you know about order words and what you know about commands and use those things to plan your sentences. This is what my sentences will be about. First, cut out shapes. Next, color the shapes. Then, glue them down. Last, add details. This is how I made my dog puppet. These are the instructions. Do you see how every sentence has an order word? These are still sentences because I see capital letters and periods. All right, have fun creating your animal puppet and planning your sentences for your instructional letter. I cannot wait to read them. Have a great day, Super Writers.